Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up to send a weather report email. So first of all, we're going to go into the FTP internet setup, connection setup. You want to make sure the main internet switch is on. And then you're going to go to the weather report email. Okay, now here we're going to put station name, so my station, and your email. So I'll put my email here. Now you're going to put your SMTP mail server, so it's something like authenticated.myserver.com as an example, and username and password if they're required. And then if you're going to use like Gmail or it needs authentication, then you can also tick that. And the port number, now 25 is the default, but sometimes it can be number like 450 something. Now you'll get all that from your email program you normally use in the account settings. Okay, so now you'd enter in here, remove that, and then you'd put in the email you want it to send to. Okay, so you add that, so that's going to be a list, and then you can just add the next one. Joe Blogs example. Okay, so that's, then you want to put the switch on to actually send it, and then here is the times you're going to send. Now you can set like a time or like every 10 minutes, and you can also say what time of which day of the week. Now this setting here is not normally used, but when you click on an email, then you can actually set a specific time to send just for that email on the list. Okay, and then this person will have a different time. Okay, so each email on the list can be sent at different times, so that's what that setting does. There's some other options here. You can attach your files. You just select a file. So I'm going to send like a picture or something like that. Okay, and that's the file that's going to be sent. There's some other options here, like a custom weather report. Now, if you select that option and you turn that on, then you've actually got to create a file called custom weatherreport.txt in the web files folder, and then you can put in custom tags in that file. And so we would go to your web files folder, and I would go new text file, and you would call it custom weather report. Custom weather report.txt. Okay, so we can then add in custom tags, so send temp, send time, save that. Okay, so now if with that on, and if we go test, it's then going to create report.txt, and it's going to email that. Now that's converted those custom tags into the temperature and the time. And if I click preview, it actually shows it here. Okay. So that's, you can also do a custom report for each separate email. So that basically have you have a file here with the different numbers, and also you can do a separate subject. Now you can also customize the normal report, so you can add in extra text at the end of the weather report. So let's just say extra text. Now we turn that off, and we go test, and then your normal report And there's my extra text, you see. Okay, so you could have just put in some extra information about that weather report. So I hope that helps.